Well, hello you guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Tuesdays in the Attic. I just started trimming down some photos for our lovely sketch today. What I like about this sketch a lot is you could take it very simply and you can see all the stuff in the background. You could just take that to be, that's just part of the background, right? Or you could take it as all these little elements. So I'm going to play a little bit. I haven't decided what exactly collection I'm going to use, but I'm trimming down these photos of my son's 6-month photo shoot from back in the day. This is quite old, but alas, I have not finished scrapping. I got his baby album done. So the year 2013 is done, even though then I found more photos, but I'm like, nope, we're done. So these are 2014. I'm still working on some of those, which is not a bad thing. I just don't remember all the stories, which is what kind of stinks, but it's fine. It's fine. So I'm just trimming these down so I can have them as 3x4, just like in this sketch. I have definitely way more photos than these 4. I will do multiple photos because this is from, when, like I said, when my son turned 6 months. So that's to me a pretty big milestone for a baby. So I've got my 4 photos then. I got to figure out a good collection, which I'm trying to figure out what I have that I want. I could use my How to Kill a Kit with Style, but at the same time, I just want to play with something different maybe for this. And then I'm also going to use this layout for Dottie About Flares crop that they had at the beginning of the month. I'm pretty sure you can submit things till May 15th. Don't quote me on that. I'll have a link down for the Facebook group down below, so you can go check out the challenges yourself. But I'm going to have a quote as my title, and that is one of the challenges. I think Helen's challenge. I'm going to quote a Taylor Swift song. Just Stay This Little. It's her, I think it's called Never Grow Up, the song. So yeah, let me go rummage through my stash and figure out what collections I want to use and see if I can find other pieces to go with this, and then I'll be back. I have raided my Jilly Bean soup stash. So I went in and grabbed a bunch of things. I found these all coordinate. These are from Cool as a Cucumber Soup, which I thought was perfect. Yeah, there's a lot of good papers. A lot of good papers. So we'll use these. Oh yeah, that one. And then, ooh, I kind of like doing that. Yeah, I might use, I really like the light bulbs, but I might use this as my background since the background is kind of busy in the sketch. And then I went and looked at all my Dusty Attic stuff. And I do have this mesh border. I just didn't know with how busy this pattern was if this would look good. So let's try it out. Maybe we'll do the smaller one. Or if it'd be better maybe to do a more subtle pattern. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. Then it's just figuring out what the heck we want to do for the other patterns. But I kind of like this paper. I like this one a lot. This would be a good one. And then I could do the photo mat in this green and maybe this scallop in this blue. Yeah. I think that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. Ooh, and then I can put, looks like a little bit more of this down at the bottom. Yeah, I think this is gonna work well. Okay. So let me get cutting. So I grabbed those papers, like I said, that was Cool as a Cucumber. And then I grabbed, like, I have stickers. Like, this is a fresh vegetable soup sticker sheet. A lot of the colors go, a lot of Jelly Bean stuff goes together. This is the birthday bisque, but I just thought some of the colors were really good. And this one has some fun critters and stuff on it. And this is Super Celebration. 2017, 2014, and 2013. Nice and old. And then I grabbed these to take the stars off because I love those. And then I also grabbed these because there was that circle element. I thought maybe putting a pop of white or trimming this something, using these for something. I just grabbed them. I also grabbed the wooden, they're called wooden nickels, but they're basically wooden buttons. And then there's some more stickers over here. So tons of little things. But I think I might even do, because I'm adding in just some raw chipboard, which I think we're just going to leave the way it is. And then we're going to do our title in the tile stickers that I have from Dusty Attic too. So yeah, let me trim down the papers and then I'll check back in with you. All right, I've got my trim, or my border. This is a perforated mesh border. I've got 1/2 glued up there. I gapped it a little bit just because I knew this was going to be going down, and so I could make it go all the way across. I thought I put my foam down far enough, but I might not have. I popped this whole thing up on foam since it's going to be resting on here. Yep, and I need to trim back some of this foam. There we go. And I will also pop up my collage. So my photo collage. So I also backed the photos in the same blue, and then I did the green. Is this over far enough? It doesn't seem like it. Yeah, this should go over a lot farther actually. Question is, how easily will it rip up? Should rip up pretty good because it's the foam with the ATG, so sometimes that doesn't rip up, or rips up better than you want it to. I just had this feeling it looked like we were running out of room. There we go. All right. Yes, much better. So I'm just gonna kind of mark, this is where the foam can start for that. We'll pop this whole thing up too. And I do want to use some of that background, or that mesh border, behind some other parts. So we're going to use some more of this too. It'll keep tying it in. And you can do tons of fun stuff to this raw chipboard. That's what's awesome. And the people that are on the design teams for Dusty Attic do amazing things with it. Very artistic. Because I think I'm going to put some, instead of that circle element that the sketch has, I think I'm going to put some of that mesh stuff here, and I'll put some down here. So I want a little bit. I don't necessarily want a corner. I should probably get my better scissors. That's my sticky scissors. Where's my big girl scissors? There we go. We just want a little bit. So I'm gonna tuck that in there. They have something that's going more flat. Well, I guess I could do that. That would work too. But I kind of rather wish it was a we'll create it more of a slant like I want. There we go. I know that didn't change much, but it changed just enough that I like it better. Yeah, I just want kind of like some peeking out. The corner. Just like that. Yeah, okay. And then yeah, let's add a little bit up here. I kind of want this lower area. So we're going to cut the corner off. And then we'll do something along those lines. Whoop! I kind of want to stick this somewhere now too. Extend it out here. I could. Maybe I should. Yeah, we'll just extend it out here. So we'll put a little bit down here as well. Perfect. I like that. All right, I'm going to finish getting this glued on. I'm going to get my title laid out and pick out some other things, and we'll start embellishing. So now we've got the bones. The bones of the sketch are done. Now we get to do the fancy parts, right? All right, I'll be back. All right, I hemmed and hawed and moved my title around a lot, but I wanted to use all three words. I thought about just doing stay little, but I wanted to use all three words, so that's how I stacked it. I popped those stars off those paper clips, or clothespins. Some of them broke, so I tucked them. The yellow one, I was sad, broke like completely. It just like disintegrated, so I had to throw that one away. But now I was gonna go through the stickers and things and put banners and such on. So there's a bunch of banners over here. I might just tuck like one or two. Where's my scissors? Over on this end. Ah! Cause, yeah. And then, cause there's no red. There's no red in this paper. So I gotta be careful with that. This is more of an orange though. No, it's not. Not when you hold it up to the orange. Definitely isn't. But we can tuck like this. It says hello sunshine. Bring some more of that yellow in. Except for I don't want it so lined up with, it was like directly lined up with that banner. All right, let's get some glue under this corner. And this is gonna go with other pages, so I'm not too worried about journaling, but they do have journaling over here, which I like. I just won't be doing that. Oh yeah, I was gonna maybe put some of these critters. This little alligator. Here to Amazing Adventures. That's kind of fun. I enjoy that. And then let's put another green star like right here. Okay. We're going to put just a little foam dot because my foam didn't go all the way to the edge. So we're just going to put one right under there just to support it a little bit. Do I have any stars I can stick over there? Ooh, I could do a dark blue star. Some crazy pattern. I'm kind of liking this. Not that I wouldn't, but I want to do this Mr. Cool right here. And then maybe do this circle. There we go. Just to round it out a little bit. Do I have a star I can stick over there? Ugh, this one. Red. I have a big star. I don't know if I want to use that one. I could though. There we go. That's cute. Hopefully that'll stick. I've tore it up enough. This red one's not going to stick very long. We could do and just put 6-month outtakes. I think I'll just do that. Yeah. All right. I think I like that. I think we're good. So there you have it, you guys. That was kind of a fun, I haven't dug into my jelly bean soup in a while, so that was fun. Dusting off those collections, as well as some chipboard and some old photos. So there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you also dig into your stash and dig out some things maybe you haven't played with in a while. And we'll see you next time.